Question number 29, exercise 1, page 7, probability. In an examination, an examinee either guesses, copies, or knows. Three guesses are there. So let K represents he knows the answer. G represents he guesses the answer. And R represents, C represents he copies it. Sorry. The probability that he makes a guess. So probability of guess is 1 upon 3. Probability that he copies the answer, probability of copying is 1 upon 6. And remaining probability of knowing will be 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. So 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is probability are given. The probability that the answer is correct. So A is that answer is correct. See, now end result is known. What is the end result? Answer is correct. So it is Bayes theorem. Once we know the end result, now we have to go the reverse. We have to know the probability. Your answer could have been correct either because of the copies, because he guessed it, or because of this. So we have to find he correctly answered it. Find the probability that he knows the answer to the question given that he answered it correctly. So is the event that his final answer is correct. So probability of answer being correct given that he knows it. If you know the answer, then what is the probability of your answer being correct? But otherwise you don't know. So this will be 1. Probability of answer being correct provided you guess. If it is guess, then definitely probability will be how much? 1 upon 4. And probability of answer being correct provided you copied it. So that will be given. Probability the answer is being correct. Given copied it is 1 upon 8. So this is 1 upon 8. Now we have to find probability that his answer was correct. What is the probability? Find the probability that he knows the answer. He knows the answer this. So we will multiply by these two and divide by the total sum. Tree diagram you can make, multiply these two because I want to calculate this. So probability of K into probability of E upon K upon probability of, basically this is the Bayes theorem we are doing, summation of all this. So probability of K into probability of E upon K plus probability of G into probability of E upon G plus probability of C into probability of E upon C. A simple method is multiply these two and divide by the sum because I have to calculate this probability. So answer will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 into 1 upon 8. This will give the answer. So 1 upon 2 can cancel, take LCM. 1 upon 2 you can cancel, 1 upon 2, 2, 2, this 2, this is 4. So this will be 1 upon 3, 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 24. So 24 upon 24 plus 4 plus 1. So answer is 24 upon 29. So most important thing here is to identify whether it is Bayes theorem. How to identify? End result is known. What is the end result? The answer was correct. So this is the answer of that. Thank you.